Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm very glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos we were checking out a software called Pictory. If you haven't checked out all of those videos, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on all the softwares that we have been talking about in this channel. Today we're going to be starting a new series of videos on a new software called DeepBrain AI. This is a software very similar to Pictory, the ones that we were talking about in the previous videos. With this software, you can create talking avatar videos, you can convert blog articles to videos, you can auto-generate videos using prompts, and you can do a bunch of stuff that we are going to be going about in this video and on some subsequent videos after this one. I really invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out this video or any of the videos that we're going to be uploading on this software. I am using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. I'm going to be making my face disappear so you can see my screen better. So I'll see you guys in the end. So this is DeepBrain's AI homepage. As you see, you can do a bunch of stuff with this software. You can create AI avatars, you can create voices, you can create social media videos. You can do a bunch of stuff like you're seeing on screen right now. For example, you can create a custom avatar, do a bunch of stuff that we're going to be going on about on some videos. So what we're going to be doing in this video is creating a really short AI avatar video. We're going to be checking out some of the features that the software has. If we go to this option right here that says AI avatar, we can pick out from a bunch of different avatars that are on the library. You can also create your own avatar using a video of yourself or creating photos, for example, in this option right here. You can pick out from all of these virtual persons. Let's say that we want to use this one, Clara.
Hi, I am Clara, one of the many avatars available from DeepBrain AI. Choose a template and let's get started.
If we click on try this model, you can choose from a bunch of different voices. For example, this one for Michael.
Hello, I am a virtual human created using DeepBrain TTS technology and avatar technology.
You can choose from different genders. You can choose from a bunch of different sources for these voices. And as you see, the library is really huge. You can pick from a bunch of different voices. You can go to templates as well if you want to use one of the already created templates. But as I told you just some minutes ago, we're going to be creating a video using an avatar. So I'm going to choose Clara once again.
Hi, I am Clara.
If you click on try this model, we're then taken to the editor. Right here we have the avatar that we can move around any way we want it to. We can once again change the model if we are not liking the one that is appearing on the video. For example, if we want to use this man Mark, then the avatar is going to be automatically changed. On the right here, we have the part where we can input the script. If we, for example, ask ChatGPT to write a short script. So this would be a script that we can copy and paste into DeepBrain. If you click on play, the software is going to process all of this script and then make the avatar speak that script.
Always begin your shift by making sure your workspace is clean, your tools are organized, and materials are ready.
In this part, the avatar is not going to be moving. You need to export the video for you to see the final product, but you can start seeing how the voice sounds if you like the avatar or not. And once again, you can change the voice any way you want using the options on the editor right here. On the bottom right here, we have the AI script assistant. This is taken from ChatGPT once again. You could ask the AI once again to write another script and it would produce it inside of DeepBrain. You can change the way in which the scene is happening, the scene speed. You can add gestures, you can add effects and pauses. You can open the dictionary if you don't know the definition of some of the words that you're seeing on the script. And you can do a personalization tag as well on the bottom right here. On the left, we have some other options. For example, if you wanted to add text to the video, you could click on this one, for example, and then it would be added to our video. You can add captions if you wanted to. If you click on generate captions, the software is then automatically going to create them and add them to the video. You can change the way in which the media is looking in the scenes. For example, if I click this media right here, it's going to be on top of our avatar. We can search from a bunch of different assets in the media library. If we look, for example, for offices, then the software is going to produce a bunch of different media for us to use. We have images and video. We can also look for audio if we want to add different audio in our video. Right here we have the captions that the software created for us to check out in each specific part of the video. We can add, for example, a background. If we select a forest, for example, and we click on it, we can make it so it is on the back. So it would be on the bottom layer. Right now it is looking like our avatar is in a forest. That is how easy you can add a background using DeepBrain AI. You can also upload assets if you want to use a specific image, video, or audio for you to have that in your final video. You can add shapes, for example, if you want to emphasize something in your video. You can also generate images inside of the software. If you're looking for an image that is not on the library, you can write a prompt right here for the software to produce specifically the image or the video that you want to use in your video. Right here on the bottom, you can click on this plus sign for you to create more scenes. If you want to go back, you can click on this undo arrow on the top. And all in all, there are a bunch of different tools that you can pick from for you to get specifically the video that you want to create. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can click on export, and then the software is going to produce the video. Right now, the video is just 1 minute and 6 seconds long. You can choose the quality of the final video. You can export the entire video or just the audio. Let's export the entire video so we can check out how it looks. The software is then going to take a couple of seconds to process the video for us to download. So once the software has created the video, we can check it out.
Step 1. Preparation. Always begin your shift by making sure your workspace is clean, your tools are organized, and materials are ready. A tidy station ensures both safety and efficiency. Step 2. Assembly. Each doll is handcrafted with attention to detail. Follow the guidelines for stitching, attaching, and assembling parts. Remember, consistency is key to our quality. Step 3. Inspection. Every doll must pass our quality standards. Look for strong seams, smooth finishes, and correct proportions. If you find an issue, report it immediately so it can be corrected. Teamwork. Teamwork is at the heart of what we do. Communicate with your colleagues, support one another, and never hesitate to ask questions. By following these steps, you help us create dolls that bring joy to children around the world. Thank you for being part of our family, and welcome to Company Name.
As you see, the video that the software creates is really professional looking. The avatar moves its lips in a very realistic way. It is exactly what we asked the software to create, a tutorial video or a job preparation video for a doll company. In this part right here, you can do some other stuff. You can copy the link if you want to share it with some coworker, let's say, or with someone that you want to share it with. You can download the video. You can change the language of the whole video using the AI dubbing. You can add a comment, or you can promote it for it to reach a bigger audience. As you saw, creating an avatar video is really easy using this software. The capabilities of DeepBrain are really amazing. We just wrote a prompt and a little short script, and then the software created a video that could be used in a bunch of different scenarios. The avatar is really real looking. The way that he moves his mouth and the way that he's speaking the script is really real. You can do a bunch of stuff to get specifically the kind of video that you want. And all in all, this software is really cool, and I'm really excited to check out all of the functionalities that we can get out of it. Once again, if you want to check out all of the other videos regarding different softwares, they are all on the channel. I really invite you to go there and subscribe. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.